All right, so we are given a matrix x minus 1, 2, 6, x plus 3 is a singular. Part 1 of the question: form an equation in x and show that it reduces to x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Then part 2 of the equation: solve the equation x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So solution. So a singular matrix, it is a matrix without determinant. A singular matrix, or it is a matrix without inverse. A singular matrix is a matrix with determinant 0. So what are we going to do? We are going to say x minus 1, 2, 6, x plus 3. All right, like I said, it is a matrix without determinant, so we're going to say is equals to 0. So we're going to cross multiply x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 3 minus 2 times 6 is equals to 0. So let's expand this bracket. So it's x plus 3 minus 1 times x plus 3. The first bracket will multiply the second bracket. So x is going to multiply this whole bracket, then 1 is also going to multiply this other bracket. So x times x, we get x squared plus 3x minus 1 times x, we get x minus 1 times 3. We get minus what? Minus 3. Oh, so here we have minus 2 times 6. We get what? 12 is equals to 0. So minus 12 is equals to 0. Now let's group our like terms. So it's x squared. 3x minus x, we get positive 2x. Then minus what? Minus 3 minus 12 is equals to 0. Let's group also our like terms. 2x minus 3 minus 12, we get minus 15 is equals to 0. Right? So shown our matrix or our equation, solve it and manage to reduce it to what? To x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. Right? Now item 2 of the equation says solve the equation. Solve the equation. So how do we solve the equation? So equation right here is x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. All right, so we're going to solve it using product and sum. We're going to multiply the first and the last term, so we get minus 15x squared. Right, so we're going to look at 2 factors or coefficients that we multiply to get what? 15. So we have 1 and 15, and also 3 and what? 3 and 5. So like I said, this is product and what? And sum. So product we are multiplying, sum we are adding. So we multiply the first and the last terms to get minus 15x squared. So now we want to add. So if we add between these two numbers, we want to get what? We want to get 2. So 1 times 15, we get 15, but 1 plus 15, we don't get 2. So we're going to use these two sums, which is 3 and 5. So it's minus what? Minus 3 times 5, we get minus 15. Then minus 3 plus 5, we get 2. So we're going to say x squared. So 2 is now replaced by minus 3 and 5. So 2 x squared plus 5 x minus 3 x minus what? Minus 15 is equals to 0. So in case of 4 elements, we should make the first and last term negative. So we are going to say x squared minus 3x, then plus what? Plus 5x, then minus 15 is equals to 0. Then we group them in pairs and in pairs. So what's common here? X is common. We factor out x. So it's now x minus 3 plus 5 is common here. We factor out 5. So it's now x minus 5 into 15. We get 3 is equals to 0. And so as you can see, these two brackets are the same. So we are going to take first, those are outside the bracket, so we're going to take x plus what? Plus 5. Then we take n of these because they are the same, so we just take 1, which is x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x plus 5 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0. So we take, that's our equation. So x is equals to 0 minus 5x is equals to minus 5. Then x is equals to 0 plus what? Plus 3, and x is equals to 3. So that's the equation. We solve x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. So our answer right here, x is equals to minus 5 and x is equals to 3. Right? Thank you so much for watching. Please, if it is your first time, please subscribe, share, and like. Stay blessed.